Hey there guys, this is Code Tutorial for you back with another Edabit problem. This one's called multiple of 100. So it says create a function that takes an integer and returns true if it is divisible by 100. Otherwise return false. As you can see from the examples, 1 is not divisible by 100 so it's false. 1000 is divisible by 100 so it's true. And then 100 is divisible by 100 so it is true. Let's go to the code tab. As you can see, the function is we will be returning true and false. As you can see, bool, and the name of the function divisible by 100. As you can see inside, right here, then we will be getting an int, a number, and that number is the variable name is num. So let's solve this. So as you can see, so we have to do something to be able to see if it is divisible by 100 or not. If not, then we're going to return false. So what we can do is if statement, if num mod. So you can see, remember, using the modular function is how we find if it is divisible by 100. If num is divisible by 100, so let's see that we have, we're going to put this right here, this 0, if it is equal to 0. So that means there is nothing left over, so that means it is definitely divisible by 100. If num mod 100 is equal to 0, we return true. If not, we could do just return false if the if statement does not go true, does not go through. So you can see, let's check. We're able to see we pass all the tests, and there you go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coding solutions. Thank you.